Welcome to Everything Currency. I'm your host Jay, and today I'm taking you guys on a nice crypto walk. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also what's going on with XRP, the SEC, and buy the rumor, sell the news. So let's just get right into it. If you guys are excited for the video, go ahead and like the channel. For those of you who are normal watchers of the channel and subscribers to the channel, shout out to you guys. You guys can see that I haven't been making as much content lately. I've been kind of busy, and also I've been having technical difficulties because the software that I use decided to do an upgrade that doesn't work with anything that I use, so I got to go ahead and fix that up. But some interesting things coming up. I'm gonna have some pretty cool content for you guys in a day or so subscribe for that if you're not subscribed, and be ready for what's going on. And also so many developments, man. I can't wait to tell you guys. I'm the type of person that likes to get things finalized before I talk about it. I talk about a lot of ideas that I have, but in the long run I like to get things finalized. So if you're an early adopter, you got my early adopter NFT, shout out to you guys. There's some value coming there for sure. So let's get right into this video. So Bitcoin at $18,800 right now as of recording this video. It could be a little bit lower, it could be a little bit higher, but I think it's gonna go lower. So I think that the bottom of Bitcoin is gonna be around 17, 16. We might wick a week or so and maybe go down to 12 or something, but I think 16K, 17K might be that kind of bottoming level. So distracting me because this is a cliff right here, and let me get out. Just taking a break right here. This is a nice place to chill at, one of the only places I can find a seat, so I figured I'll start my little crypto walk right here. But coming down this little ledge right here. But so Bitcoin at, could bottom out at like 16, 17K and then just go sideways, range in between like a $4,000 or $5,000 range for like a year. And all those little pumps in that $4,000 and $5,000 range will be exciting to people, but it will be, if I should go up that, I'm like, this is a nice view, but that looks like it will be kind of challenging and kind of rewarding. I don't think I'll be able to record if I do that, so I'll do it off camera. But yeah, so I think we can bottom out and then go sideways for a pretty long time. Now we still have the Fed meeting coming up. I don't know when it is, but I know it's coming up, and I know that whatever it is, it'll probably be, actually, you know what, if they come in and they try to lower it only like 0.5 or 0.7, the markets might react bullishly to that, but in history the markets pretty much always get it wrong, so whatever. But if they raise it, like everybody's expecting 1 basis point, and I can't really see them being that hawkish at once, maybe over time, but they're thinking that it's going to go up 1 basis point. So if it comes in at 7.5, if it comes in at 0.5, markets might get a little bit overly excited on that idea. But in my opinion, SPX still hasn't came down and touched this 200 moving average yet, so I'm not getting too excited about anything yet. I am DCAing small amounts, very small amounts only, just because I don't want to be left with no crypto in the long run. The more time in the market over timing the market in that regard. But ETH is doing the same thing as the Bitcoin chart. So I always look at the Bitcoin chart, even though it looked like a little more bullish because of the momentum that it had gained from the ETH 2.0 merge, but that was a buy the rumor, sell the news event. So the rumor was price was going to go up. It went up while that was the rumor, and then it happened, and then now price is kind of correcting itself in that regard. And it is looking a little bit better than Bitcoin, not going to lie, but in the long run I think it'll pretty much just kind of follow that trajectory like it always has. And the next buy the rumor, sell the news event that we could have is going to be this XRP SEC. So just how everybody said, oh, ETH 2.0 merge is the biggest thing in cryptocurrency. I'm gonna get out of here. There's too many flies in this area. And trust me, I don't stink like that. But XRP and SEC have filed a notion to just have the judge go ahead and give his verdict already. It's been going on for too long. I don't even know how they took this long to explain everything they had to explain. They had appeals, they had request for this, request for that, blah, 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 blah. And they're ready to get it over with. They both spent too much money on the damn thing. Us tax holders have spent too much money on the damn thing. Let's get this shit over with. So that's good to see. Now, everyone's saying that that's good news. And the price of XRP responded pretty nicely. About a 16% jump on the day. And it's been going pretty good for the last couple of days for XRP. I just want to let some hikers get by so I don't run into anybody. But I'm going to go over here by the water. So this could be very good news for Ripple if they win this case, of course. Ooh, there's a lizard. Let me see if I can get it. See him posing. Thanks for posing for the subs, bro. You can go now. Go get some water. It's right there. One with nature right here, bruh. Yeah, what were we talking about? So this news might be good for XRP, and then that could be pretty bullish. You know, that a lot of people say that suppressed the price, so that could cause a lot of buyers to come into the XRP market. And I kind of want to go down here because it looks nice. I'm just getting interrupted on my whole hike. I'm trying to just go by all the nature stuff, you know. That's what's good for you. But yeah, so this could be some pretty good news. I mean, not could be, it is the best news for XRP, especially if they win. Just having it be over with and people don't have to worry about it anymore is going to be good news for them. So we're seeing that in the price. In the long run, we'll see if a lot of exchanges start relisting it and stuff like that. Hopefully they do. So a lot of people who are banking on that could happen. Now, my thing is this. It sucks that this news would be released at this time. Like for real. And that's not even cool. The bear market, where there are hardly any buyers. XRP holders are even losing in their rewards. They finally win the case. I don't know if it will be explosive as it could have been, you know, but it's just good to have this behind them. So I do think this is another buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. So be careful with that. And if they lose the case, I don't know if they'll have a bunch of supporters like they got if they lose the case. But right now, they got all the community riding for them. So hopefully they win. Also, I don't know if you guys heard, Mr. SEC, now that he thinks he might lose in the Ripple case, trying to go after ETH in the most retarded way possible. He actually said that because the validators for ETH are a lot of them are located in the United States, those transactions take place in the United States, so he has jurisdiction over them. This guy, these guys, like, y'all don't got jurisdiction over nothing, bro. Stop it. I mean, they do, but they shouldn't, because we should be able to make our own decisions and pay for our own consequences. But I understand how people don't do that, so it is what it is. So interesting things going on in the regulatory landscape. Literally, that's kind of the most interesting thing in crypto right now, which kind of sucks, you know. But besides that, like, projects are still building. So that's all I can say about that. Like, every single one of the projects that I have on my low cap gem list, besides the ones that I crossed off and told you I crossed off, they're still building. So that's just good to see. If they keep building things that are useful, then that will be good for my bags in the long run. So let me know what you guys think. Is Bitcoin gonna drop below 16K? Is it gonna pump right here? A lot of different opinions out there. everybody's bearish. Everybody's talking about 12K now. So when everybody's saying the same thing, does that usually pan out? Let me know. Also, what do y'all think about ETH? Y'all think it's gonna still continue to go higher? Some people say ETH bottomed already. I don't necessarily think so. And yeah, let me know of any coins you guys would like me to take a look at. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Now, if you made it this far into the end of the video, then you're probably one of the dopest subscribers I got. So I got some interesting things coming down the line. And if you are somebody who would like the opportunity to invest in private sales and get into things on a earlier level and take on more risk for more reward, then hit me up, because I'm working on something and that will be pretty dope to have some subscribers involved. So check out the website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. You can contact me on there. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Y'all think positive and positive things will happen. This is like this. Till next time, peace.